Hey, how is everybody doing? We are going to open up a blaster of Topps Heritage 2023. Got this through one of my subscriptions with Eric Jabs and wanted to save it and open it up for all you folks. I don't, I've collected Heritage in the past. I don't usually go to finish off a set with Heritage. I usually just do Top Series 1, 2, Update, and Bowman. I try to do Bowman. Bowman can get difficult because there's so many prospect cards, but definitely with Top Series 1, 2, and Update, I've been trying to go ahead and put those together for quite a while. So here's the inside. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. So we've got 8 packs, is a total of 72 cards. Let's go ahead and get ripping and find out what we got. I hit a hot box of this once with all those purple chrome type cards. That was pretty awesome. So here's Matthew Batten, rookie card. Here's the back of the cards. It's the old, kind of nice, old style looking, kind of what I remember the Topps cards being when I was a kid. I think we've got to look for short prints. We'll flip those over. There's a rookie card, Luis Libator. And see if we have any of those. So it sometimes takes a little longer to go ahead and get these done. So this is a low numbers, so I think it is 400s, like that one right there. All right, so we've got one short print already in a pack, Kyle Farmer. Don't know how many of those we'll end up getting. Generally, I think in one blaster box, I usually get one of those. So that might be the big, there's Drew Waters, rookie. The nice, Heritage is nice, but not necessarily one of my favorites. Like I said, it's just nice, and if I get a blaster every once in a while, I'll be happy with it. Here's a nice insert, Johnny Bench and Pete Alonso, then and now. Ozzie Albies and Patrick Sandoval. Oops, I should have kept these all a little bit separate, so don't see anything in that. So I see what I need to do over here off camera, or putting these off to the side. Hunter Brown, rookie card. 2022 home run leaders, Aaron Judge, Kyle Schwarber. This year it'll be Shohei Ohtani will be in there for sure. Rookie card, Graham Ashcraft. Francisco Alvarez, rookie card. And there we go. Let's see what we've got as far as on the back. Can get those in action cards. Never gotten one. Hundreds of cards I've opened, or packs I've opened. Never got one in action card. You know, I would have thought I'd get one. I don't know, do they do the French back cards still? That I don't know. David Hensley. Worked for a guy named Hensley. Nice card. Nolan Gorman, rookie card. And Corey Kluber. back of these, see if we've got any 400s. So, like I said, wow, look at that. I was almost jinxed myself. I was going to say I usually get one short print per blaster, but now I've got two. So there you go. All right. Max Muncy, Nico Warner. What do you guys? What are your thoughts on Heritage? Do you love it? Do you like it? Matthew Liberatore, rookie. Do you? That's a nice one. New Age Performer. Do you have like no real feelings either way for it? Like, if I get a pack or I get something, somebody gives it to me. That's basically it for me. Is if somebody was to give it to me, I'll go ahead and I'll open it up. I don't think I would actually go out and purchase a blaster of this. Definitely would not get a hobby box or anything. Just not something I long for. But they are nice cards. Joey Bart, nice. Got a good feel to them. To me, that's just that old vintage type card feel. All right, maybe for some reason I got a feeling there might be a 400 in here. And that's what I get for feeling that way. I get bupkis. All right, two more packs. Two more packs. Oops. Hate when I hit that camera. Brendan Donovan. Gold Cup card. Song Kim. Ke'Bryan Hayes. Justin Steele, rookie. Oh, Shohei Ohtani. DH in a pitcher. Very nice. I think I've heard other people mention it, and I think it's a great idea for Topps. They should create like a short print, like either have him as a designated hitter on their regular card. Oh, that looks like it's a short print. 478? That's got to be a short print. I'll have to look that up. Usually these I never find as short prints when they do the World Series Game 6, Game 5 and stuff like that. But that may be a short print based off of the number. Anyways, it would be great if they had like a base card of him hitting and then a short print of him pitching, or vice versa. Base card pitching, short print hitting. I think they would hit the mark with that one. I think people would love that. So we'll see what Topps up. I've heard a number of people mention this on YouTube and other places. It would be really nice if they did something like that. I think people will just eat that up. So let's see if I've got a 400 in here, which I do not. All right, so if I'm looking at just the short prints, I've got 3 short prints, which is more than I think I've ever had before. And I'm looking to see if I have anything else that is like completely, absolutely outstanding as far as another card. And I'm really not sure that I do, tell you the truth. I'm going to throw that Shohei Ohtani out there just because it is Shohei Ohtani, and I've kind of felt that way. A lot of people feel that way for Mike Trout, and I think that people say, hey, any Mike Trout card's a good card. Well, I think they're going to be doing that with Ohtani as well from now on. So I don't have anything else that I can see. I'm looking real quick through here. Maybe one more in here, maybe. Just nothing jumps out to me as something of like huge importance. So I am going to throw out the Francisco Alvarez card. Don't ask me why, I just did. All right, just because I like to have at least 5 cards out there. So there we go. That is Topps Heritage 2023, and we ended up with 3 short prints. I'm okay with that. And for this product, that's probably pretty good. So thanks again for watching another short video. You guys are probably enjoying shorter videos from me anyways. Please go ahead and like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's the only way you can be eligible to win in my giveaways. You have to be subscribed and make that subscription public. We'll have a giveaway coming up, probably a giveaway video in about a couple weeks. So keep watching for that. Hey, thanks again. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and let's be good to each other out there. See you soon.